this is an incredibly rich Jewish community in which to live. And the wonderful thing about this community is one can find a niche for oneself to live as a Jew in a variety of ways without necessarily having to belong to a synagogue of whichever denomination, but one can live a very rich cultural life as a Jew as well. And there are many things going on throughout the year. Lectures, Yiddish theater, Hebrew theater, Yiddish films, French films, and of course the whole gamut of Jewish community services which one can be involved in. And the quality of Jewish life here is really extraordinary.